Hey, this is Dawson, and we're gonna be doing not a shootout this time, but just trying to do some famous moves by NHL players. And there's Brady posing. Well, was posing. Come on, Brady, let's do this. Let's see how much skillage you have. Yeah, he'll try. Can't even really see you. You can't even really see you though, Brady. No, honestly, because. Alright, now I'm gonna try.
You've never seen it?
Yeah. Don't press anything though, okay?
Here's Dawson.
I'm gonna try to do a skill stick. Alright?
Oh yeah, that's skill. Oh, who are you imitating there?
I don't know, just any person that does a skill stick. Oh, and it's...
Come on, you might, if you didn't see that, kind of right above here. Right above here.
Yeah, I'll read about that.
Here's my stick.
Oh, and that's gone far, and Brady can go get that because I have to tape him.
There goes the boy running, like he never ran before. Oh, it's the Brady shot. I'm amazed. This is so good. There he is.
Oh, just a joke, guys.
Alright.
A little comedy.
Yeah, funny. Everyone's laughing, Brady. Come on. Oh my god, he's so close.
This is the Dawson Reed.
Yeah, whatever, shoot. He probably would because he's an awesome hockey player.
Dawson Reed.
Oh my god.
Now, I'm going to try doing an Ovechkin or whatever guy that goes like this and hits it, but actually hits it. Alright, I'm going to try doing a skill stick again, but doing like this in the air and smashing it. I can't even do that. Never mind. I'm going to try doing Crosby. I can't do that either. Oh. I scored. Now I'm going to try doing the soft shot.
Take it. Take it.
You ready? And he's going to do a soft shot. Wow. I never seen that.
Some water went in my eyes there. I'll do a soft shot next. I want to hear Fury.
No, screw you. You're not using my Fury.
Thing's awesome, even if it's broken.
Should have brought my Warrior.
Oh my god, it's a Warrior. Everyone's going mental for it.
Better than friggin' Fury.
Of course. That's why Furies are usually around 300. Just kidding. Bet you a shot will be like 1 mile an hour.
Sorry, that's a little chicken.
Yeah, I'm a little chicken.
Oh, I didn't see that going there.
No, I didn't either because I didn't tape it. Sorry. Here, go. Here. Right? Where the hell is it? There's the ball. There. Yeah. Okay. Now.
I gotta.
Here. Ready? Ready? Go again. Try to do your famous move. Everyone's gonna die for it. Just die. They're gonna die. They're gonna fucking die.
Let's say I'm down the edge, right? Here you go, guess, right? Okay. Defense is like that,
And of course, if he
If you
misses.
come out, the defense is right there. Maybe go back.
But of course, if he missed. Alright.
You shouldn't shoot like that.
Alright, well, Brady. That is a pretty good strategy. That's how I scored my goal this year.
Yeah. Of course, you never did mine because
He's not going to score.
I scored a hat trick in one game and 4 assists. And the next game, I scored 2 goals and 4 assists. Wow, fucking speedy.
What, Dawson?
I said freaking speedy.
You said a different word there.
Freaking, same thing.
Give it a shot. He feels his groin. Hey, beat it, beat it, beat it! It's going on YouTube. Nice shot. And now we're going to take the camera and take a shot. Oh, crap. Is that going in the yard?
Yeah.
Oh, 1 minute. We're just going to go find the ball. I don't really see the ball. Oh, there it is.
Alright, here. On my stick. By the way, that's where all the dogs crap.
That's why I grabbed it. Oh yeah, that was my stick. And Dazzy's gonna taste this, so I'm not gonna taste him.
Alright, well, one more shot, because look at that. It's gonna be one hand, like this.
It's not fun.
Skill stick, like this, and... Oh, fuck, that sucks. But stuff. It's supposed to go like this, or... Fuck, that sucks.
That's near the pro.
I know, yeah.
Just like on the pro and everything else.
Alright.
Brady's got the ball. No, oh my god, that's the only move he can do. He barely escaped. He barely escaped, but still. Let's see him miss.
Don't try this at home.
Probably could. At least I can do it that many times, unlike him.
Yeah, at least you can do 2 of them.
Oh, look at that! Oh, you missed! You missed! Hey, let's see if Brady can score me. Let's see.
Defense, and he's gonna tape it like his video. Like here's.
Yeah.
He's gonna go again.
Alright, well, he's gonna try scoring on me when I have a camera in my hand. So, it'll be a little difficult, not really considering it's Brady. Man, he's in a bad mood. Alright, let's do this! Go! Go! Alright, I am! Oh, he saved it! Yeah, whatever, I'll still stop it again. Like every other time. Oh, and he fakes the shot and misses. And he barely even scores. Now let's see how Real Man does it. No wonder he's on pills. There he goes running. Insanely drops his stick and leaves. What a faggot, don't you think? That's why you never take pills when you're young. Unlike him. Oh, watch this, okay? Well, now then my little camera boy's gone. It's going to be a little harder to tape. Oh, there's the guy with steroids coming back. So, go take your drugs, have a nice walk. Yeah. Now here, take me. You hold it. Hold it. This is the last part of the video here. Yeah, it's so hard to do his shot. He did it twice. That's it, he's out. He's got a pocket, he's chasing me.
Oh, he's scared of this little ball, Randy. Scared, Randy.
Oh, that's the end, guys.